Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
The thing about Christopher Nettey could have been a Kotoko player right now, but Kotoko management, what they did, the previous management, they signed him without paying the appropriate fees. That is why the current management are struggling.
Yeah. So personally, what would be your opinion? Would you let him go or?
Christopher Nettey, he was very good in the Ghana Premier League. I think I would try all my best to keep him because I don't think we have, because Epem Da Costa was used as right back under Jeti Zachariasen, and Epem Da Costa is no more. So there's no person I think is reliable or good enough to play that right back right now. So I think Kotoko should try all their best to keep him.
Okay. I share the same opinion with you, but the point is, I heard about 35,000 USD, Clinton, and it's too much for Christopher Nettey, to be honest. Let's be real here. 35,000 USD for Christopher Nettey.
He's good. I think he's good.
Yeah, you think it's worth it?
Yes, if the money is there, I think they should pay it. If the money is there.
Okay. All right. So